Making content completely changed my business, and it will change yours too. Let's go. Okay, so right now, I'm going to complete this hike, which starts here. It's not a very difficult hike, but it's a very demanding one at 40 degrees. So I'm doing it at 8 in the morning. There's a lot of people around, like this guy. So back in 2022, I decided I'm gonna quit my job and I will pursue this thing called a freelancing job for video editing. And I did that for about 2 years. See, the thing is, when you get to create content for other people, you see how incredible it is for those people. And so I decided to do content for myself. It's so uncomfortable talking when there's people around.
S'ko bëj kamerë rrugën për Livat që është bllokuar, që nuk shkohet shtegu.
Pse?
I kanë vënë der me dry.
I kanë vënë der? Well, I just learned that the hike is closed. Let's just hike halfway, I guess. All right. Why do I tell you all this about content? Well, it's the freest thing you can do, and it's the thing that I love doing. And I do think that it's the best you can do for your business with the most bang for your buck. In 2023, I started creating content with the idea that I wanted to do something different for my life because I was only editing. So I wanted to create content about editing, and I posted that. I didn't know where that was going. I didn't know if that was something that was going to get me anywhere, but I just decided to do it anyway because it was a different thing that I wanted to do. That got the attention of somebody I knew about 10 years ago. That person started an agency a few years before I did. They said that they need me for editing. And so I said, okay, I'm coming on board. After that, I decided I wanted to add videography to my core business. And so I started posting content about videography as well as editing. And that got the attention of 2 other people, which I knew before, and they said that they would love to work with me. Again, these works were very long-term work. They weren't just one-off things. After that, I decided to post content about a specific niche, which was talking heads, something very close to this, but for short-form content. And because of that, I got the attention of another 2 people, which really wanted my content and really wanted me to continue doing stuff for them. All of this is to say that every single time I started creating content, every single time I got clients. This wasn't like I did it for 6 months, nothing happened, and the 7th month I did something. I used to get 1 new client every month. In the beginning, when I used to do editing only, I used to get clients from Upwork. So when I decided to do content for myself, I thought, I'm gonna do this content just because it's a different pace, it's a different thing, and I wanna try it out because I'm doing it for other people, so there's probably something to it, right? When I did videography, I had absolutely no idea what was going on with videography. I had learned a few things from YouTube, but I never learned anything of substance from real life scenarios. It was only YouTube. And then when I added that specific niche to my business, I did not know anything about that niche. I had no idea. And so I found things working it out backwards. The same thing went about with content. I know that it looks like it's gonna take a lot of work and I don't know where to start and I don't know what to do and I don't know if it's gonna be fruitful or anything like that. But if you don't start, you will absolutely never finish. If my story is of any example to you, it's because I tried it. And I tried it with having 0 data. And that's what I would like for you to do as well. Try it out. This is the road. And right here is the entrance. This is the entrance. Very civilized. And then you end up here. We have to get to that little bay right there. And this is the road. So I went through that whole thing. I didn't want to set my camera all the way back, go over this, then go back, get the camera, and then get over this with the camera. So I just did it once, and that is the way to Lvov. That is the cliff to the sea. Good. So apparently the woman was absolutely lying because there is nothing even remotely close to a door that won't allow you to go here. Look at this beach, dude. I say this about content is because content changed my business, and I used to do content for a living. Imagine the barrier of entry for somebody who's never done content or doesn't even know what content does or doesn't understand the value of content. I want to say that it does change your business, it will change your business, and it will be for the best. Believe me. Okay, now I'm going to settle down, I'm going to get some coffee, and I'll see you on the next one.